Just like us, dogs can suffer from allergies and food intolerances. Chris, what are some of the reactions that dogs can get?
Yeah, some of the common ailments that you'll see is the constant itching and scratching, licking and chewing of their feet, and even to the extreme cases where we might get some vomiting and diarrhoea.
Yes. And what is it that's causing this, do you think, mostly?
Depending on what they've currently been fed, you know, if they've been on a manufactured diet, processed diet, moving across to a raw food diet, you will probably 9 times out of 10 fix these conditions. Because what we're doing is we're stimulating their immune system first and foremost. When they're coming back from a manufactured diet, the immune system has been suppressed. So just 2 weeks on a raw food diet, you really will see changes, and a lot of these little allergy symptoms or whatever will go away.
Okay. What if they are on a raw food diet already, so they're having beef and chicken in your range, and then they start to react to this? Can that happen?
Yeah, absolutely. And those two proteins are the most common proteins that there is an allergic reaction to. So in our core range, we do have those two proteins blended in each one. So if that's the case, and even some of our users that are finding those sort of issues, it might be advantageous to move across to our allergy range, which is a turkey and a kangaroo. And they're species-specific range. So the muscle meat, the crushed bone, and the offal content, which will be your livers, kidneys, and hearts, are all derived from that particular animal.
Why are they different? Like, why is kangaroo better than beef or chicken, I guess, when it starts to come to allergies?
Yeah, well, the beef and chicken, it just is the most popular.
Yeah.
So with our allergy range, we've just stayed right away from those two proteins. But something like kangaroo is wild game meat. So they're not exposed to some of the other chemicals,
Yes.
pesticides and all those sort of things that can find their way into the food chain.
Okay.
So we can stay away from those for the kangaroo. And the turkey, it's very similar to chicken processing and that as well, but we just seen where there doesn't seem to be an issue with turkey. So that's the reason why we went the other way with turkey. So there's really a red meat and white meat there for them.
Okay. And if people are trying all of this with their food, but they're still finding some issues going on there, what would you recommend that they do?
Definitely go to a raw diet as quick as possible.
Yes.
But allow 2 weeks, be patient.
Okay.
And it might get worse before it gets better, to tell the truth.
Okay.
It might bring that out and move it on quite quickly. But really allow yourself about 2 weeks, but get away from any of that processed food, any of those processed treats, and just give them that raw diet and allow some time.
Okay, so just get back to basics.
Get back to basics.
If you think that your dog might be suffering some food allergies, well, check out the Big Dog website and get some tips from there.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Chris.
Thank you.